Hello, my beautiful royal queens. Today's video is all about colors and their power in our daily lives. We're going to explore how to choose colors that are known for attracting good fortune and how these colors can boost your positive energy and add a touch of success and optimism to your life. Before we dive into the details, make sure to watch until the end because I've carefully selected a range of color combinations and tones that will help you not only attract positive energy for yourself but also bring it to those around you. I'll give priority in today's video to women who are constantly facing challenges or feel overwhelmed by stress. If you find that tension and anxiety are a big part of your life, it's best to avoid bold and intense colors like red and black, as they can heighten those emotions. Instead, lean towards soft and calming tones such as pastels. These gentle colors have the power to ease your mind and help reduce stress, creating a more peaceful and balanced environment for you. Colors have a magical ability to influence our emotions and mental state. For instance, soft colors like light blue and pastel pink help to ease stress and give you a sense of tranquility, while natural colors like light green restore balance and positive energy by connecting you to nature. If you're looking for calmness and mental stability, make these colors a fundamental part of your daily life, whether in your clothing or home decor. Colors aren't just visual, they deeply affect our emotions and energy. In many traditions, certain colors are believed to bring luck and happiness. If you're looking to attract a little extra luck or positivity, picking the right colors could be your answer. Let's start with red. Red is a powerful color, especially in Asian cultures where it symbolizes happiness and prosperity. Wearing red at important events can give you a sense of confidence and strength. A red dress or accessory can make a big difference in how you feel during a special occasion. Next is green. Green is the color of nature, representing growth, health, and financial prosperity. Wearing green can bring a sense of balance and stability, especially when you're seeking new opportunities in your career or personal life. Yellow gold is another vibrant color linked to joy and optimism. Golden tones uplift your mood and invite positive energy. Adding a golden touch to your look, through accessories or small details, can brighten up your day and attract good vibes. Then there's blue. Blue is the color of calm and confidence. Whether it's a light sky blue or a deep navy, wearing blue helps you feel composed and focused, especially during busy or stressful moments. Finally, we have purple, a color tied to creativity and spiritual wisdom. Purple encourages inspiration and mental clarity. Adding a purple accent to your outfit can enhance your creative energy and help you feel connected to your inner self. So, my royal queens, these are some of the colors that can attract luck and positive energy. By choosing the right colors, you can create a powerful and positive impact on your life. And always remember, you are a queen, or better yet, a royal queen. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. And in the comments, let me know, what's your favorite lucky color that makes you feel amazing?